Teaira here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this holiday glam look. I am obsessed. I think she is fire. I think she is snatched. I feel like this is the perfect holiday glam look, but not doing too much. It's like a toned down, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe this is extra for some people. I'm a whole vibe right now. I love it, and I think anyone can wear this. Oh yeah, I got a new do. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm obsessed with the braids. This is the first time I've ever had single braids, and I think they are just gorgeous. I don't know. I want to like switch out between this and the dreads from like now on, but I don't know. I'm probably reaching. Y'all know how I like to change it up so much. But subscribe if you're not subscribed for more holiday looks. I'm gonna be getting these holiday looks out, honey. So swipe up. I mean, it's not Instagram. Subscribe, comment, like. If you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch.
Okay, first things first, let's just get it out there. I know I look like I'm a rat. Just took my lash extensions off and I am bald, completely bald, and I am just going through the process. Okay, give me a week, I'll look like myself again. But for some reason this footage in the beginning of the video got deleted. It just disappeared into thin air. I don't know what happened, but I am using the ColourPop Just My Luck palette, and I am blending in Act Natural into my crease.
Okay, so it took me like 10 minutes to blend that out, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still blending. I feel like blending is key. You can never do enough, huh? Especially when you have a deep color, you just gotta keep blending. This eye is definitely higher up, like with the shadow. I am literally starving and I need to take a bite because I am gonna die if I don't eat. I order from this place called Organico almost every day. It has like Brussels sprouts, corn, cucumber, tomatoes, chicken, rice, and lettuce, romaine lettuce. So good, oh my goodness. This is amazing. Foodgasm. I know I say this all the time, but this literally is the best thing since sliced bread. This is the Sephora Daily Brush Cleanser, because sometimes my brushes just be dirty and I need them to be clean in like 0.2 seconds and dry. It dries so quick, so you don't have to use a dirty brush. So it just literally dries within like 2 seconds. I'm gonna use like a concealer that's not that light. So I'm gonna take Big Banks. Ooh, Big Bank take Little Bank. This shade right here. Ooh. Big Bank take Little Bank. And I don't want it to be just too precise. Like I want it to be like a little messy and like not as precise. Cause I feel like sometimes you want that look and then sometimes you just don't. Today I don't want that look. It's just so pretty. I feel like green is such a holiday color and it's just so cute. It brings out your eyes and it's just so beautiful. And I feel like it goes on every skin tone perfectly. Wow, this palette is bomb. Big Bank take Little Bank. Hey, should I? Look at that color. That's scary. Okay, I have to try it on my arm. Sometimes before I actually try it on my eyes, I like to like do a little eye look on my arm, on my hands, because I'm like, I don't want to mess it up. So this is like my little blur that I have on my hand just to see how to look. I don't really know if I want that all on my eye. Maybe, let's try it. It's called Mary Jane. It's not bad. I don't know if I like that pop of like yellowish. You know, a lot of people don't like to do their makeup on holidays because you're literally sitting in the house with your family. A lot of people like to take photos with their families and they want their makeup to be popping. For the holidays, I'm a simple gal. On an everyday basis, I'm a simple gal. So I'm gonna take Zam in the Jackie Aina Anastasia palette and I'm gonna put that right above what I just did, just because I don't want all of that yellowness in there. So I have not worn strip lashes in, like I said, 6 months maybe, and I don't like them that much because they're so heavy, but obviously I don't have lashes today, so I have to use these. I'm gonna use the Unscripted Crispy's new eyelash line, and I'm using Legendary. These are so cute. Okay, so before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna actually take Mo Bamba, and I'm gonna smudge out like a kind of winged, but wing, but not make it a wing, you know? Just smudge it out. I think it just gives your eyes the illusion that it's like kind of, you know, higher up. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these lashes, Unscripted, Crispy. I'm about to see what you about, girl. That actually was really easy. Really easy, and these are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love these anymore. These are so bomb. Yes, lashes just do it, you know? They make the biggest difference. The band is thick, but it doesn't feel heavy. Maybe I'm just so used to having lashes on my eyes now, you know? Ooh, look, honey, look. My face is moisturized. I'm gonna take this Teaira hydrating primer. And I'm gonna show y'all what foundation has been having me like snatched. Okay, so on an everyday basis, I like to look very natural, very, you know, skin-like, but today, I'm not gonna do that. This foundation that I'm about to show y'all will have you snatched, like, I don't know. Anyways, it's a Dose of Colors foundation. It is beyond phenomenal. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. I feel like it's not matte, but it's not, or maybe it is matte. Satin either. I don't know, but it just gets the job done. Before I do that, I'm just gonna kind of conceal around my mouth. I think the weather in LA has been having my skin like go crazy. I mean, it's not terrible right now, but it's been like breaking out. But it's been going away really quickly. But I think it's because all these forest fires, the air, the pollution is just at it's so bad right now. So my skin is like, can we get a facial? Can we? I am in the shade medium tan. I feel like I don't crease with this foundation either. It just has me snatched. But I do not like that look all the time. I like a natural look. So I feel like this is great if you're going to like an event, you need your makeup to stay on literally for 2 days straight. No, I don't know. I don't know about that. I usually use 127. That's why I'm like, why is this not coming out the way it usually comes out? I look different. I look so different from when I started. But now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer just to give me that snatched contour, make me look a little slimmer. Did y'all hear Jacquees' new album, King of R&B? Like, I'm like, if you're gonna name your album King of R&B, it better be fire. And that's exactly what it was. It was fire. That album goes hard. Now I'm gonna take my Kevyn Aucoin concealer in SX08 and I'm going to conceal with this. This concealer is so thick. It is very thick. It is extremely thick and it's amazing. This also just snatches it. I have to use this every day because I just feel like it's just literally the best concealer I've ever used when it comes to just concealing and being thick. It's not a hydrating concealer either, but it just works. It's like a satin. It's a satin and it just blends in beautifully with my foundations. I can't stand when you put a concealer on and you gotta really work with it quickly, you know? It just dries out too fast. This one, it doesn't happen. You can do other things. You can let it sit there, dry a little bit, or like, not dry, but like, just let it sit and then you can still work with it after a while. So I'm usually the one, I can really cook, I just choose not to. I don't know, just because it's just me, you know? But I'm typically the one that cooks the mac and cheese, and I feel like if you are the one that cooks the mac and cheese on Thanksgiving, you're the one that really knows how to bust it down in the kitchen. So I am very proud of that. I'm sure I'll be making the mac and cheese again this year. I'm gonna take the hood up. I'm really snatching my face because this powder is pretty heavy. The concealer is pretty heavy. The foundation is pretty heavy. Hopefully I don't look like I'm doing way too much, but I'm actually gonna use the Mcgrath Labs powder in light medium. And I like that this powder is super lightweight. It just doesn't make your skin look matte at all. It makes it still look like skin after. And I feel like for the rest of my face, I don't really need to like have it set, you know? But it doesn't need like a thick powder like under my eyes. Then I'm gonna go in with that same palette that I've been using the whole entire time. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Kiss My Ass. It's a little lighter than Act Natural. I'm obsessed with this palette, the Cover FX Perfector face palette. It's just like the blush in here is amazing. I'm not gonna go in with the blush really because my face is already looking, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go in with this highlighter, the brightener, and this highlighter right here. But first, let me contour. I don't like to contour my nose. I just like to put a little bit of that powder on my nose because I don't like that harsh look, you know. I'm gonna go in with this highlighter. First, I'm gonna go with this, but first, let me get there. I'm taking this Estee Lauder Set and Refresh Setting Mist. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this palette, but first, I'm just joking. This highlighter literally just sinks, melts, becomes one with the skin. It's honestly amazing, ever. Like, I'm gonna have to try more of their highlighters because this is honestly amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Carly Bybel times Il Maquillage lip pencil, but it's a brown and it's amazing. It's just glides. I love this pencil. Lip liner does wonders for the lips, I'm telling you, it's crazy. Even though my lips are like a really good size, I still like the lip liner effect. It's just, it makes it look beautiful. This is the Fenty Beauty Unbutton. Tweezers and pressing my lashes with the falsies. Ouch, don't hurt yourself. I don't know if I like it just like this or should I put a gloss on, you guys? What y'all think? That's pretty much it for this makeup look. I just added some mascara to the bottom waterline. And what you guys think? I'm here for the braids too. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, save it, thumbs it up because you might want to recreate this look. Comment down below if you would wear this look for the holiday season or what colors I should try next. Let me know what y'all want to see me do because y'all know I like to stick to what I like. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.